Most rental investors are calculating cash flow wrong, and they find out the hard way. A $2,000 rent minus a $1,200 mortgage does not equal $800 cash flow. After vacancy, management, taxes, insurance, and CapEx reserve, a mid-market deal nets about $100 to $350 per month, sometimes negative. Use this complete formula, include GRI, vacancy at 8 to 10%, property management 8 to 12%, taxes, insurance, repairs, CapEx reserve, and debt service. Real scenario, $1,800 rent. We deduct vacancy, management, taxes, insurance, repairs, CapEx reserve, and debt service. Follow each step to see the honest net cash flow. Why this matters: cash flow is what keeps you solvent in the short term. Get the full calculator at go.cashflowdiary.com. Cashflow Calc.